All right, so now we're gonna check out Street 2 down in downtown Phnom Penh. See what it has to offer. Lots of bars here. And what's this? This is a bar, The Lady. Looks busy. Bar, drinks, I guess. Women. And loads of them, they're everywhere. I don't know how they compete because they're literally every corner, there's more of them and they all look the same. A lot of men here looking shy. Charlie Chan's. That's cool. We've got another one here, the Cambodia. Wow. There's a lot of these same ones actually. Party girl. It's in the name, isn't it, I guess. And yeah, there's lines and lines of them. And you got another one here. Got pool clubs as well. Yeah, it's like a different world. Very different from where the hotel is. And it's not that far. The girls look bored though. Huh? Going where? Oh, Step by Far. Okay, there you go. It's a cool name. And you got this one here, the lemon, sweet lemon bar. You got the Pussycat bar there. Some of them are sleeping. And yeah, you got a feel for it. We've got all the massage spots over there. The cowgirl bar. Looks lively. Gonna dodge the camera. So you've got a lot of bars supposedly here. Don't know what kind of bars they are though. Got a strip club there. Basically, isn't it? This comes like that thing in Phuket. So this is like the street in Phuket. You know what, it's one of them ones, you can't judge. We don't know what the situation is, so. Yeah. But very busy. It seems so. So very busy. Lots going on, as you can see. Lots of bars. But it seems like there's more girls than there are customers to me. Yeah, innit?